Alright, so it's been a few days. And I was thinking about, I already had the new wheel well ordered, but I'm not going to be able to keep this bumper. Well, could have been a lot worse, but yeah, the factory grill's definitely going, or factory bumper's definitely going back on. I don't know what came loose or how it came loose, but the whole wheel well, I was driving, might have got a little spirited, but the whole wheel well just pretty much came off and flew up. So yeah, take this back home and go grab the Blazer. I don't know what that came from. The other side's fine, what it looks like. So yeah, this wheel well decided it didn't want to hang on. Brand new tires. So those are a little jacked up, but throw this in the trunk and take the Camaro back. Alright, hate to say it, but you guys are right. Shouldn't have got this bumper. I don't know what happened. Everything's fastened up, everything was on there. Just about to go pick up some parts for the Monty, and just on the highway, I-70, and all of a sudden I just hear something, and then I have something fly up, and I guess the driver's side wheel well didn't want to hold on, so it just flew up and it got sucked up under the tire or like smashed in it and ripped in half or something, but there's a little bit of it left that I was able to pull off. But yeah, the bumper, like I said, I like the look of it for the most part. I wasn't in love with it, but I like the look of it. But I'm gonna throw the stock bumper back on. I might go get some paint mixed up and just do what the body shop was originally going to do, or what the first estimate was, and that was to just repair the bumper, a little bit of body filler probably, or fiberglass filler. So that's probably the route I'm going to go with, just fiberglass filler it in, have to find a new wheel well, and then just put it all back together. So when I do, I'll probably respray the whole bumper, just because I'm not a painter. I've done it before, but I'm not a painter, so blending the old paint in with the new paint, and then not getting a tape line and all that stuff, I might be able to. But then again, at the same time, the clear coat on the original bumper that was damaged was starting to flake off pretty good. So that'll probably be all sanded down, scuffed up, and resprayed, or just, I don't know. Yeah, it'll be sanded up, scuffed, resprayed, base coat, clear coat, and just be put back on the Camaro. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the dash cam was running. I don't know if it flew off to the driver's side or flew out in front of me. I believe it flew out to the driver's side, but I'm gonna double check for damage on that side. the pieces, where the fog lights are supposed to go, that bezel. I know it popped out, but let me just get this back home. I'll go over. Well, I'll double check, take a better look at it, see if there's any other damage besides the wheel itself. I said, or the tire. There's brand new tires on this thing, and the inside of it's all worn out. I guess just from rubbing, and didn't notice it or what, but like I said, I was just cruising along, and then that happened, so I ended up stopping and pulling over on the side. So I'm gonna get this back home, and then I'll cut the camera back on and go over it. Alright, so that looks good for the most part. Now this right here, that's definitely bent. See all that plastic or rubber that came off there. So, opened up that gap. See, from it hitting right here, I don't know if I hit something or what. But yeah, this one's pretty much done for. I think everything in there looks good for the most part. I said just a little wear on the tire from that plastic being on there. This gap opened up a little bit, so yeah, it's definitely coming back off, and gonna repair the original one. So let's try something different, and it didn't work, so all that stuff is good. Yeah. Alright, so it's been a few days. And I was thinking about, I already had the new wheel well ordered, but I'm not gonna be able to keep this bumper. So I'm gonna be out about $1,800. Of course, none of it's out of pocket. Everything is pretty much covered by the insurance. But since the wheel well did pop out, I'm not sure. To me, it looks like it blew this out a little bit. But I was gonna attempt to use the same, just try to use this bumper again, but all the brackets that were along here that go to attach the wheel well, all these broke off. So there's nothing that would attach the wheel well back to the bumper. Like you see on the other side, and you have these screws that go into the bumper, so all those brackets broke off. So I'm gonna repair the old one and paint it, throw it back on. What's up, Doug? What's up, Doug?